Huber Engineered Woods, subsidiary of J.M. Huber Corporation. 80 locations in 20 countries. Respected innovator in building science. Creator of revolutionary Advantech subflooring presents the science behind ZIP System Roof and Wall. ZIP System is engineered to outperform Housewrap and roof felt assemblies, to eliminate construction headaches for builders, and to provide superior energy efficiency and comfort for homeowners. That's quite a claim, but it's backed by years of development, lab testing, and real-life field trials conducted by some of the most respected experts in the industry.
We have wood scientists, PhDs in wood science in resin and adhesives. We have a code expert that actually managed a code department. We have a building science expert now on board.
Huber Engineered Woods' breadth of scientific expertise developed a durable, reliable product, ZIP System. It meets the demands of builders, architects, and Mother Nature. ZIP System Roof and Wall meet code requirements as structural panels and moisture barriers all in one. The scientists of Huber Engineered Woods have proven ZIP System's moisture resistance with tests replicating extreme weather conditions, including wind, rain, and flood.
We also did wind-driven rain testing, TAS 100, 110 mile an hour wind-driven rain testing.
You're looking at hurricane-force wind-driven rain, yet ZIP System remains watertight, even without siding applied. But that's not enough for these scientists. They tried to force water entry into the system by applying suction under the panels in the next test called ASTM E331 water penetration testing.
It simulates a steady rainfall with a vacuum on the backside of the panel.
With ZIP System, even extreme vacuum pressures couldn't force a leak. But how forgiving is ZIP System with installation errors? Roof and wall panels with overdriven nails are exposed to standing water for hours on end. ZIP System still provided superior moisture resistance. But it's not enough to be watertight. A water-resistive barrier must have enough permeability to allow the wall system to dry out, but not so much that excess water vapor is allowed in. The 10 to 20 permeance range of the ZIP System overlay provides optimal protection and performance. So when it comes to moisture management, science clearly proves that ZIP System performs. ZIP System is made with the same resin system used to manufacture Advantech subflooring. Then one side of the panel is fused with a protective barrier to earn its code recognition as a structural panel and protective barrier all in one. To prove the superior bond between the panel and barrier, we conducted some extreme tests.
We pull a random sample off the line and we boil it and try to take like a knife blade and see if we can peel the overlay off of the product.
After 4 hours, the bond remains intact.
We have another test where we actually take a load cylinder and adhere it to the surface and try to pull it apart.
Even with extreme force, the ZIP System panel cannot be torn from its overlay in lab testing. So what about ZIP System's performance over years of real weather conditions? Huber Engineered Woods built one of the largest test huts in the United States to prove the actual product performance of ZIP System Roof and Wall in the field.
We wanted real-life performance data.
We measure different parameters like temperatures, relative humidities, moisture contents.
We wanted to test our product with various claddings and various underlayments, various drainage planes, various insulation.
We have learned from the test that the ZIP System performs equally or better than the existing wall systems in the market today. We have also learned that it performs exactly as we expected it to perform.
In fact, we are so confident in the outstanding performance of ZIP System Roof and Wall that we back it with a 15-year system warranty and a 30-year panel warranty, the best in class. Science has proven this to be one of the most durable, highest-performing panels you can buy. ZIP System tape completes the system, so we designed it to match the superior durability and performance of ZIP System panels. And that's just the beginning of its incredible performance story. ZIP System tape has been exposed for years to extreme heat, cold, sun, rain, and ice at our global test centers. In another test, ZIP System tape is blasted with UV light to simulate prolonged exposure to sunlight that would destroy the physical properties of many other tapes. But ZIP System tape holds tight. Then, ZIP System tape is baked at 225 degrees for 1 month, and there's still no loss of adhesion. Many other products and tapes curl and melt within days. All this comprehensive testing means ZIP System tape can withstand extreme temperatures, even without cladding or roofing installed. It was specifically developed for superior performance when installed at temperatures as low as 20 degrees or as high as 120 degrees to help builders avoid downtime. With all this testing, no wonder the ZIP system is backed by the best warranty in the business for both residential and light commercial construction. Housewrap is simply a secondary envelope which can easily rip, tear, and trap moisture. Plus, it's difficult to properly install, which could lead to air leakage in the finished project. ZIP system is both quick to install and provides a continuous air barrier to significantly reduce air leakage. ZIP System's superior air barrier performance means you can assure your homeowners the comfort and superior energy efficiency they demand. In this test, wall sections are pressurized to test the efficiency of various assemblies. The movement of the smoke indicates that there is a leak path in this housewrap. Small gaps, tears, or penetrations that are inevitable during installation can create a leak path. With multiple leak paths, energy efficiency can be compromised. With ZIP system panels and tape, there's no break in the barrier for a leak path to form. As you can see, science proves that ZIP system roof and wall are superior to traditional methods in many ways, from moisture resistance and durability to installation ease and energy efficiency. In the long run, you can't afford not to use ZIP system roof and wall.